everyone, my name is Jevera. I'm from Baptist Elementary School. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Indomie Soto. Here are the things you'll need. First, pour enough water into the pan. Then put it on the stove and turn on the heat. Wait until the water starts to boil, like this. Next, open your Indomie Soto pack. Take out the noodles and put them into the pan. While waiting for the noodles to cook, I'm chopping up some vegetable because I like them in my Indomie Soto. They make it tastier. Next, I will crack an egg into the Indomie Soto while it's cooking. Then give it a good stir and let it cook for a few minutes. After it's cooked, carefully pour it into a bowl. Here I asked my mom to help pour it because it was hot. Then open your sauce packet and pour it into your bowl of Indomie Soto. Grab your spoon and fork, then give it a good mix. Add your vegetable. This step is optional. Tada! Your Indomie Soto is ready to eat and enjoy.